Hey guys, RTT back here for the video guys. Today, I'm going to show you the best way to clean your foldable phones possible. It's actually this little pen thing you see right here in my hand. So this pen thing has two different ways to clean your foldable cell phones. First off, it has a microfiber tip on one side, and it has a brush on the other side. Now, what you're going to see in this video is I'm probably going to use the brush a lot more than the microfiber tip. While I do like the microfiber tip, the problem with it is if any little piece of dust or anything gets in it, it starts to create a chance of scratching your device. So that's why I don't like it that much. And as you can see right here, just kind of demonstrating this, it kind of just pushes around the dust. So if you have dust or stuff on your phone, this is just going to push it around. Now, why I like the brush so much is because it does the opposite. So not only should you clean your brush after every use, but pretty much what you can do is the bristles are able to get in between the little cracks and crevices and get out all the dust and debris. A big problem, and we're going to be cleaning, by the way, today, a Galaxy Z Flip 5, we're going to be cleaning a Galaxy Z Fold 5, and a Google Pixel Fold. So we're going down the whole lineup here today, guys, okay? It's not just one foldable phone. We're showing you this on every single foldable phone possible. I'll leave down below in the description a link to the Amazon page for this product. I am not sponsored by them in any way. This is just something I've used for many years now. I've made videos, but I have a lot of newer viewers now who do have foldable cell phones. So let's talk about it. So first off, the biggest problem with these foldable cell phones is that debris, dust, buildup can get between the screen protector and the display. And in this video, I'm going through this very fast. The reason why I'm showing you this very fast here instead of going slow, which I recommend going slow 100%, please go slow, do not go fast with this, is that even if you do go fast, you're not going to scratch your inside display. That's why I'm doing it for the video purpose, but when you are cleaning it, I recommend going very slow with it, and you can see right here, a perfect clean surface. I also have a microfiber cloth I recommend using alongside it. So the long bristles of this brush, again, go slow, don't go fast like I'm going here. I'm just showing you won't scratch your device. It can get in between that little area of the screen protector and the side bezels. And because the brush is not going to destroy your display, you are pretty much, not risking anything by cleaning it. Because the biggest problem usually when it comes to the little sides is you don't want to use your fingernail because you could break the display. You don't want to risk any type of problems. So this is like the perfect solution. And again, this pen thing right here is, I believe I got it for less than 20 bucks. Again, I'll leave a link down below in the description for it if you want to check it out. But microfiber cloth plus this pen, and you're going to be cleaning up your displays without any problems at all. And again, yes, we're going through the whole entire lineup, so no matter what foldable phone you have, whether you have a Google Pixel Fold, a Z Fold series device, and or a Z Flip series device, we have all of them here today. The only ones I don't have here today is the OnePlus Open, and I also don't have the Motorola series, but it's very similar for those phones as well. Again, like I said before, I recommend going very slow. Right here, I actually messed up, and I thought the part of the screen was broken on my device, so it kind of scared the crap out of me, but no, it's just a reflection. So everything's good there, but again, like I said, this goes for any foldable cell phone, no matter what foldable cell phone you do have. So I just want to make this video out to go ahead and help out some people who are trying to clean their foldable cell phone and the best technique possible. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.